Look at this giant variegated photos. Oh, look at its leaves. It's so huge. It's just right there. And then there are a lot of small leaves right here. And it looks so beautiful. It does not really show much. Look at that leaf in my camera, but it is so beautiful. It's so big, like you can see it right here. Look at its big leaf. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like this one is like even bigger. It is like damaged in some sort. Now I'm looking for the gardener because I would like to ask a leaf so I can propagate this. This is so easy. You just need to cut a leaf and then you can as well put it in water, just like in any other herbs. I mean, most of the herbs. And then you can have your own like this. It's so hot. So this has been in the water for 3 weeks. You can see. Look at that. So, guaranteed easy propagation. This is the... Alright, here we go. So there are two possible ways where you can cut it and propagate it. So first is this what I did. I just cut towards the end of the vine and make sure I cut it near this root here. I'm not sure if you can focus it, near that root. And this is quite a healthy stem, so I can put this directly in water. This one I already submerged like a few weeks, but you can see it's already rooted up. So there's already white kind of thing. It's not focusing, but there's white roots already coming out, so it's pretty healthy. So basically you can cut it that way, or you can see it right here better, and maybe you have some water. So it's just so easy. You just put them all in water like this, and eventually they will root up, or they're just fine. So usually I just put it next to the window and they will just be fine like that. It's so easy. You can also put do it this way, cut towards the end and put it directly in the soil. So that is also possible. Other ways is that, for example, you have maybe a stem given to you by a friend. What you can do is that you can cut this per leaf with, make sure with a root on it. So here you can do this like this. Just make sure you don't cut the roots. And maybe this one we can skip that. Oh no, maybe we can't. And then this one as well. And then maybe this one, like this one. So you can also have it this way. So you can have it that way, put it in the water like that. So it's easy. So very easy. That's just the way how to propagate it, and then it will give you some root sprout. You would really you would know that because the roots would be white. Okay, so that's so easy. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. So you can now have this new healthy photos that you can maybe give to your friend, or you can decorate it somewhere in your house. Looks so shiny. It's beautiful. It's a little bit cloudy day today, but it looks so good here in the window. I hope the birds will not hit it and throw it outside the window. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up See you next time.